is Sunay Stouwer.
En ek is Hans-Peter Vegter en ons is van die Hoërskoolpark.
Yeah, listen up. This one's for the girl next door.
In ons matriekjaar het Hans ons serenade groepie oortuig om in 'n skoolopening vir die hele skool hierdie liedjie aan Sunay te sing. En ek dink as mens nou daaraan dink, moes ons geweet het wat Hans se ware intensies is, want ek weet nie van enige ou wat 10 ouens kan oortuig om vele pauses op te gee en ure te oefen om 'n girl te serenade as jy nou net vriende wil wees nie.
In high school I was singing a cappella, serenading you underneath the evening star. A teenage poet trying to make you smile, writing crazy rhymes just to keep you for a while. Oh, being apart just drove us insane. A long distance longing, a beautiful pain. We crossed over the line, left the friendship behind. Look at the soulmates that we managed to find. 'Cause when I'm with you, baby, I am home. No more wandering, no more reason to roam. Listen to the music.
Sunay, Sonneblomstander. Ek beloof om jou altyd lief te hê. In visumrye, vreemde plekke en nuwe avonture, daar sal ek jou lief hê. In ons grootste suksesse, in ons laaste swaar kry, en reën op ons troue of 'n shuttle wat vertraag is, siek of gesond, daar sal ek jou lief hê.
What made this boy so smart and true? Without a doubt, you gave up on the mystery, threw the questions away, and said, I'm gonna support you, baby, every single day. 'Cause when we are together, the world fades to grey. There's no more distance, no more delays. 'Cause when I'm with you, baby, I am home.
Hans-Peter, op die ouderdom van 10 jaar het ek onwetend die belangrikste besluit van my lewe geneem. Ek het jou gekies as my beste maatjie vir ewig. Al het ek op daardie stadium nie noodwendig die gewig van die besluit verstaan nie, staan ek vandag hier vir al ons vriende en familie, maar heel belangrikste God, en beloof ek werklik dat ek jou kies vir ewig.
My heart belongs to you. Hey. Everyone around us knew it from the very start. It was written in the stars, engraved in my heart. You're my shelter, my rock, my sweet melody. The only girl who's got the master key to me. Hear the brass section blow, baby, let the whole world know. From the backyard fence to
Na al daai en na ek dink wat seker 22 jaar wat julle skaars meer as 5 kilometer ooit van mekaar af was, vat dit toe byna 13,000 kilometer om nou weer twee te besef dat wat ons almal ook wel altyd geweet het dat julle by mekaar hoort.
listen to the music. The strings are on fire. Our love is a symphony, lifting us higher. All the instruments are playing, the rhythm is true. Ich liebe dich. Yeah, my heart belongs to you. Yeah. We are home now. No more being apart. Ich liebe dich. Just you and me.
On a day like today, I think together with all the other emotions, there's just an overwhelming sense of gratitude. And it really feels like a summary of everything that we've been blessed with in our lives. So, Sunay, I think if this is the foundation of our marriage, we'll be okay.
Listen to the music. The strings are on fire. Our love is a symphony, lifting us higher. All the instruments are playing, the rhythm is true. Ich liebe dich. Yeah, my heart belongs to you.